Have you ever asked an AI like ChatGPT a question about your school's private documents or your dad's company reports? It just says, "I don't know." Why? Today, we'll meet the two secret AI helpers, the brain and the librarian, that fix this problem and give AI the right answers. Stick around to see which one is the smartest. The big AIs, called LLMs, are amazing talkers. They're like powerful engines, but they only know what they learned up to a certain date. They don't know your new information. This is a RAG framework's job. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Think of it as a pattern that gives the engine the right facts at the right moment. Our two heroes, LangChain and LlamaIndex, are the toolkits that build this RAG system. Meet LangChain, the orchestrator, the brain. It's like the conductor of a huge orchestra. Its job is to string together a complex series of steps. Strength 1, complex steps. If you want the AI to search Google, check your calendar, and then send an email, that's LangChain's job. It makes the AI use external tools like a Swiss Army knife. Strength 2, memory. LangChain remembers everything you said in the conversation, so it doesn't forget your name or what you asked 5 minutes ago. The trade-off, because it can do everything, sometimes it's a little confusing for developers to set up. It's so flexible, it can be a bit tricky. Now, meet LlamaIndex, the librarian, or the specialist. It's not trying to run the whole show. Its mission is to be the absolute best at organizing and finding data. Strength 1, data superpower. If you have thousands of company reports or school papers, LlamaIndex makes sure the AI can find the exact paragraph it needs quickly and efficiently. Strength 2, saves money. Because LlamaIndex is so good at finding the exact thing, it uses fewer tokens. This means it can actually cost less to run in a document-heavy project. The trade-off, the librarian is a specialist. It's not built to do the complex, multi-step tasks like sending emails or booking flights. It's focused on the data. So, which one is the winner? Both. Many smart teams use them together. LlamaIndex collects and organizes the perfect information. Then, LangChain takes that perfect info and runs the complex workflow. LangChain builds the brain, and LlamaIndex builds the library. Which would you rather have? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech secrets.